Okay, so this is the review for the Cllnic for June 4th. That's today? Yeah, June 4th. So it was the first flag Cllnic, and we just did some basics. Instead of going into full detail, I'm just going to basically show what we did. A couple things that are new, I will do the basics for, just like show you a couple different ways and show you the checkpoints. But I want this to be a quick thing that everyone can kind of look at and just see what we've covered. So the first thing we did is we reviewed our drop spins, which we can do from right shoulder, just thumbs down, thumbs up, like this. And then we reviewed our drop spins exercise, where you do 10 drop spins from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 10. 10, drop, flat, stop. 3, 4, slide 5, and then the other direction. And remember, on those we go up on count 8, where you slide that bottom hand in, 8, and then down on 1. After that, we did speed spins, and those we start from right shoulder. And remember, our right shoulder, our bottom hand stays in front of our belly button, and it's in line with the bottom of the stopper. For speed spins, you go thumbs down, just like a drop spin. You're going to rotate and let go of your right hand and grab it flat, thumbs away from each other. Let go with your left hand, rotate to the silk is in front of you, and grab thumbs down. And then rotate again and grab with your right hand, thumbs away from each other. So if you'll notice, whenever we count this, my dog will make it in here, it's down, flat, up, flat, and that depends on where the flag is. So you'll go from right shoulder, I'll just do a couple really slow, and it's down, flat, up, flat, down, flat, up, flat. So doing that quickly, you go from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, down, flat, up, flat, down, flat, up, flat. Okay? After that, we reviewed our rows and our cones. So remember, our rows we start in slam. Rows we do over, over. A checkpoint is 1, flat, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We practice this in our toaster, which is just making sure that we're not going in any crazy angles. So just doing that quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let me do that to the side so you can see my toaster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, we did our cones that we did in auditions, and cones are over, under, from slam again. Checkpoint 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the and of 3, we make this little Z formation where our arms are parallel and the flag makes a little Z to make sure that we're crossing enough on our cone, and lock in on 4. And on cones, we slide this bottom hand up as much as you need, and then on 4, we lock it in. Okay? So fast, that looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure that you're sliding. I'll do it to the side so you can see my angles. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? And then there's also an exercise that we will do at guard camp that I taught, where you do 32 counts of slow cones and then 32 counts of fast cones. For the slow cones, you just take 2 counts per checkpoint. So instead of going 1, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you do 32 counts of that, and then you switch to fast of 1, 2, 3, 4, just like normal. Okay, after that, then we did our palm flips. And so for those, you want to be at the top cheater. I don't have a cheater on this, but you'll be on the top cheater. Have your hand behind your back in a fist, and you do half rolls. So you go from here, you let the flag go halfway down by using the control on your palm and letting your fingers move around to the other side of the flagpole, and then you'll force it back up halfway again. So that looks like this. 1, 2. You want to make sure that you're not doing a full, I don't even know how to do that, a full where you're trying to like flip it around all the way. That's not what we're doing. We're doing half. Okay, we do these for a really long time during guard camp, so make sure that you're practicing those, and you can do them with both arms. Up, down, up, all that. So now we're going to do the pull hit exercise. So you start here, and it goes every 8, then every 4, and then every 2 counts. Forgive me if I mess up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, hold 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, hold 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 7, 8, 9, 10, hold 11, 12, third, fourth, hold fifth, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, third, fourth, fifth, 6. Okay, and so you want to make sure that you're squeezing really tight and you're catching with both hands at the exact same time rather than catch. After that we did pump ups, pull hits. After that we worked on some of our tosses. So we have our cone toss that we did during auditions where you have under, over. You do 1, 2, you're going to release on 3 and you catch on 5. I have a little bit of wind, so I'm going to do my best. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, out, 3, 4, 5. And you want to catch here at the stopper, here at the tab, and then right at that cheater where you first caught, at the top cheater, bottom cheater, the cheater that's down here. And obviously you don't want to throw it that direction like I did, so I'll do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? After that we did our parallel toss, which you're going to tuck under your arm. You want to make sure you're not in cradle like this. You want your arm over the flagpole. You're going to bring it across without scooping down, and bring it across and up. And then when your flag's about here facing back, you're just going to push up and twist at the same time. That'll get the flag to go up and toss around. And then you're going to catch it at your chest with the silk facing to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. That was not a good toss. Let me try again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Nice and strong. You want to catch with your hands really far apart, right about that bottom cheater too. Okay, after that we did our pull hit toss, which is just those pull hits that we just did, but instead of catching it on a single rotation, you're going to bring your hand all the way up when you release that pull hit, let it do a full rotation, and then it'll come down. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Just like that. I'll do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Okay? After that, we did cone tosses, parallel tosses. I think we only have back scratchers left. So there are 2 types of back scratchers, single back scratchers and doubles back scratchers. A single back scratcher just means only one part of the flag goes behind you, and a doubles back scratcher means both ends go behind you. So for the back scratcher, we have, we'll do a single back scratcher first and then a double back scratcher. The single back scratcher is checkpoint 1. You go to right shoulder, 2, so 1, and your flag is flat and your hand's sliding in from the bottom. 2, you're going to pull your arms behind your head and the flag goes straight down behind your back. 3 is flat like this and you're starting to slide your hand back out. And 4, you come back to right shoulder. Okay? So let me do that slow and then I'll do it fast. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4. Okay? And a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so as you can see, only the flag went behind me. The pole down here stayed in front of me. So a double back scratcher, the checkpoints for that are 1, 2, just like a single back scratcher, except for 3, you're going to put the pole behind you, and is flat, and then down to slam on 4. Okay, so we do that a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You want to slide your head all the way out to the stopper. Let me do it one more time really quick. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so that's everything that we did this week. I will be posting this into the group chat, obviously if you're watching it. And then I'm also going to do a video from last week, which I had issues with. So thank you, and the next Cllnic is on next Monday. Cool. Peace.